Now, this is how you can have a Notion link on your iPhone homepage. So obviously you can have the Notion icon added in here, so it's pretty easy to just open it up and jump directly to your page. But you might as well just put a different link to it. And a great way to use this is through widgets. As you can see right here, I have a bunch of widgets set up already, but in order to do so, just hold down anywhere and tap on the edit button, which pops up right next to the dynamic island at the top. So just click on add widget, and you can scroll through and perhaps find it in the suggested widgets, but you might as well use the search bar and type in the name of the app. So obviously it's going to be the Notion, and you have 5 options to pick from. It varies by sizes as well as by functions. So the first one is, I'm sorry about that. The first one is about the one page which can be linked and set up. So essentially this one is going to be used a lot by you, I believe, because I use it quite often. But you can also switch to your favorites in this like larger view, or even the largest view for the favorites. Same thing for recents, and in here in this format as well. But if you added the first one, which is very useful, while you're still in the edit mode, you can tap on this. It's going to flip over in this animation, and you can choose any of your existing pages, right? So you can, for example, pick this travel planner, which I have. When I just close it in here, you can see that I'm going to be able to just have this like link to my specific page on my home screen. So it's pretty cool. Obviously, if you have it set up with an icon and the cover image, it's going to look much more neat, or it just looks better than, for example, this one, which only has the title. So that's how you can use it. And as you can see, the other type of widget is recents or favorites, and the favorites can also be set up like this. You just add the widget like that, and to manage the favorites, what you have to do is to in the main Notion page, you have them like selected, right? So these are your favorites, and if you want to add more, you can just open up any page in here and tap on the 3 dots and just add them or remove them from your favorites, up to you. So that's how it works. If you have any other questions, let me know down below in the comments, but for now, that's going to be about it. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.